Well, it's basically done. The only thing I'm missing is the filter, which I bought a nice velocity stack and filter that I'm going to put on here and take the stock one and put on here. But it's coming together. Ported 36, 1955 gear. It hopefully it rips. It sounds pretty nasty for a roving motor. If y'all saw what it looked like before I put it together, it's came a long way. A long way. I got to get a cover for the radio box. You have to buy the whole box just to get the top. And this is a shock off a Rampage. I got the right one to it. I got the rebuild kit. I just got to rebuild it, put it on there. Metal gears. And that brake cam, every website don't have it. The only place I can get it from is China, and it'll take a few weeks. So I'm thinking about robbing the brake cam off the big bore truck, because I only play with that truck in big fields till I can get one. Supposedly my buddy has one, but that's where I got this Baja from, and it was like pulling teeth to get anything, so I said hell with it and went and bought everything new for it. My goal was to get it together this weekend, and I got it together. So I'll get to do some brapping Sunday. It don't look too pretty right now, but once I get it all worked out, running good, I'll start worrying about how it looks. But I do got some nice little upgrades on it. I got all the nice aluminum upgrades on it. All the motor mounts are aluminum. There's a couple little hidden upgrades on it, but she's coming together. It is ready to be ran. Yep, I gotta be up in a couple hours, pull the all-nighter, but she's done. And this truck here, it's coming along. Slowly putting everything aluminum on it, so by next year she'll be ready for a max motor. Probably a 55.